BSH and Terberg are transforming internal logistics in Slovenia, replacing agricultural tractors and conventional trucks with a versatile Terberg shunting vehicle.
The benefits of a Terberg are better visibility and ergonomics, reduced tire wear, lower maintenance costs, lower energy consumption with zero emissions, purpose-built for material handling.
We were looking more than just a vehicle supplier. We needed a partner who understood our industrial logistics and could also adapt to our specific needs. Terberg stood out because of their experience, their willingness to listen, and their ability to develop a solution tailored exactly to our needs.
This is more than an upgrade. It marks a clear transition from diesel to electric energy, combining environmental responsibility with long-term economic efficiency.
From a business perspective, we also see benefits in lower emission, reduced noise, and lower long-term operating costs.
At the center of this transformation is the Terberg BC203 EV. Developed in close cooperation with BSH, each vehicle follows Terberg's tailor-made approach, adapted precisely to the operational and logistical needs of the BSH site in Slovenia. Supporting this collaboration is Okovia DOO, Terberg's official distributor for Slovenia and the entire Adriatic region, involved from the early stages of the project and helping identify opportunities to improve operational efficiency and driver comfort.
One vehicle can handle multiple tasks that previously required different machines, which improves coordination between departments and help us maintain a steady production flow.
Built for real industrial environments, is engineered to withstand temperature conditions ranging from -30 to +50 degrees Celsius.
Driver feedback has been very positive. The cabin is comfortable, well designed and easy to use. Operators especially appreciate the quiet operation, smooth driving experience and reduced physical strain compared to older equipment.
Certified for public road use as a working machine, the vehicle seamlessly connects production, warehouses, and transport routes, replacing multiple machines with one flexible solution.
As Terberg, we always try to put the voice of the customer in front of us. We cannot do this without our distributor. And in this particular case, I think we are successful for BSH to create a tailor-made solution together with our Terberg body carrier and their application, which creates more efficiency on costs, but most of all, operator ergonomic success.
Win-win solution in concept, in collaboration with BSH, Terberg Special Vehicles. We, like a team, found the right solution for concept for supply chain internal logistics and to change special trucks with Terberg Special Vehicles.
This is not just a new vehicle. It is a new way of thinking about internal logistics. BSH and Terberg, driving the future of internal logistics in Slovenia.